How to fix iPhone touchscreen not responding. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if your iPhone is not responding to any touch or is frozen, then check for dirt, oil, or dust on the screen and remove any interfering phone cases because sometimes phone cases might also be the issue. So the after you've done that, the primary troubleshooting step involves performing a forced restart on the iPhone. To force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold on the side button until the Apple logo appears on the screen to complete the forced restart. So this is the method to fix iPhone touchscreen not responding. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.